What is that? Oh, you have so many on your head. Yeah, this is passion fruit. Yeah. And what's yours? Passion fruit. In Japanese, it's also called passion fruit. Oh, yeah. Passion fruit. Okay, wave again. Cherry. Wave it. Yeah. You guys are professional chef. And this is for you. Your braised pork rice. The steam. And it will become dry. Okay, you may decide if you want to cook more until this coat your rice and then look at the thing. Very big succeed of your rice, right? Right. Okay, so